Welcome back to Others Valka Inter College Demaria, Class 11th. Today we will see the summary of the first lesson, My Struggle for Education, your English text of its English version. I told you, let's see. My Struggle for Education was written by Booker T. Washington. He was a Negro person who lived in America. Actually, in America, those colored peoples are called Negro. And he was very poor. Due to poverty, he had to work in a coal mines during his childhood. When the author was one day working in coal mines, then he overheard over there that two people were talking about a school which was situated in Virginia. The school name was Hampton Normal and Agricultural Institute in Virginia. On hearing this, the author had a very high curiosity to see that school and to go there. And at once the author decided to go there. Then when he arrived at his home, he wanted the permission from his mother to join that school. But his mother was very reluctant. His mother was thinking that he is going to do a very useless work, which was very difficult for the author according to his mother, because since they were very poor, so it was not possible for him to join that school, because that school was 2-story building and it was very high class and which was specially made for the Negro people. And his brother John, he also helped him as much as he could. After one day, the author decided to go to Hampton. Then he took his clothes and a bag, satchel bag, long bag that is called satchel bag. And then he started his journey. After 2 days, by begging rickshaws, by asking for the lift, he arrived to Richmond. And now from Richmond to Hampton was 82 miles. In Richmond, the writer reached at night and he looked for the most of the places where he could find to stay for one night. But wherever he goes, no one was ready to give him place for sleeping that night. Then he walked on the street in that city for the midnight, and then he sat down on the pedestrian stamp. And then when he saw that now no one is coming through the road, then silently he slept there alongside the road. When he got up next day in the morning, then he found that there was a cargo ship and unloading of pig iron was doing on that ship. Actually, the captain of that ship was a white man. He was very kind-hearted man. And the writer told his inability about his difficulties to the captain. And the captain allowed him to work over there as long as he could. Then he worked over there, and he worked over there for many days. When he collected some money to go to Hampton, then he again resumed his journey. On arriving the school, he saw that this school was 2-story building which was specially made for the Negro people. The author says that in this story that it was the heaven-like place, that school for the writer. And then he met to the head teacher of that school. He went in her office and they started and then asked her for the admission. She was taking the admission of the many students, but she didn't pay attention on the writer. He lingered on there before her for a long time. After a long time, the head teacher told to the writer that now I am giving you a work and the work was given him that the writer had to clean the recitation room, which was situated just beside the office of the head teacher, principal. He took broom and cloths and then started the cleaning of the recitation room. He swept 2 times the room and cleaned the everything which was in that recitation room for 4 times. The writer says that he also cleaned the corner of that room for many times. When the head teacher entered in the recitation room, then she was a North American lady, and she knew that where dust lives in a room. And then she took a white handkerchief and it put on the corner of the room, and she found that there was no dust. Then she said to the writer that now I think you can join this school. And on hearing this statement, the writer was very happy, and he says that it was the most happiest moment of my life. This was the story. And now this way Booker T. Washington got admission in the school, the Hampton Normal and Agricultural Institute in Virginia. This was the story of this lesson. And now you listen its Hindi version as well as English version. I am giving you English version because of you had to write down explanation, reference and context in your examination. So if you also listen it very carefully, then it will be very helpful for you in writing you explanation in your examination. Also it is helpful for your question answer. Okay students, and now in next video I will give you the question answer of all the question answer of this lesson. Thank you.